In this video, I will show you how to fix the "your device isn't part of the Netflix household for this account" error. First, make sure you're not connected to a VPN. If you're using a Windows PC, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then select VPN. If a VPN is connected, disconnect it and try opening Netflix again. If you're using a phone or TV, disconnect any VPN app before continuing. If the error still appears, completely close the Netflix app. Then turn off your internet connection by disconnecting your Wi-Fi or enabling airplane mode on your phone. Open the Netflix app while you're offline, then reconnect to the internet. Once your device reconnects, Netflix may refresh the connection and remove the error. If you're still having the same problem, open Netflix in your browser and sign in to your account. Click your profile icon, select Account, then open Manage Access and Devices. Review the list of devices currently signed into your account and sign out of any devices you no longer use. After that, sign back in on your current device and check if the issue has been resolved. If your device is outside your Netflix household for an extended period, you may need to connect it to the household Wi-Fi or update your Netflix household settings from the primary account. And that's how you can fix the "your device isn't part of the Netflix household for this account" error.